What if the audit report came back clean, but the supplier was falsifying records the entire time? That is not a hypothetical, that's a Tuesday. At first glance, the paperwork looks alright, but somewhere in the factory there are two sets of records, one nice version for the auditors and one showing reality. Here's what happens next. Journalists get their hands on the actual documents. And now the supplier is not just losing a shipment, they're losing major clients and the brand they spent years building. My name is Hendrik Mosel. I've spent the last 10 years auditing companies in over 25 countries. I'm based in Germany. Our teams at Q-Inspect are located in Europe, the US and Asia. Two sets of records happens more often than you might think. This is not a minor finding. It's a zero tolerance finding for falsifying records. Zero tolerance findings are the most severe ratings a social assessment can produce. How can you find out if your supplier falsifies records? You want to hire a team that knows in which countries this is a major problem. A team that knows how to spot it and how to get to the bottom of this. You can't just rely on documents, self-assessment questionnaires or the word of the manager. You would want someone digging deeper, verifying payroll against attendance, documents against work interviews. We have seen what good looks like and we have also seen what bad looks like. Over 20,000 audit days, over 100 different clients programs, some of the biggest retailers in the world. Those are the types of companies we work with. This channel is what can help you maintain a strong supply chain. What we show you here could save your brand. Contact us now for support.